This is Dan, the dude from Suspicious Minds. Talk a little bit about these strings from Black Harbor Sound. Got the bass strings, obviously, and these awesome picks. Their badass logo on it. 2mm, thickest one they got. Heavy picks for heavy tone, if you ask me. Speaking of tone, I love the tone of these strings. Badass. Nice and heavy. Which is perfect for Suspicious Minds since we are a heavy swing rock and roll band. That is our genre of rock and roll, heavy swing. So, having these strings is amazing. I can't wait to get more, and I can't wait to show them to y'all out on the road. Cheers.